When you think of video conferencing, you think of being able to effectively connect face-to-face with anyone in the world. You think of how advantageous it is for your business. Realistically, you might also visualize a technical nightmare. You might anticipate certain problems and complications associated with video conferencing. Bulky, expensive equipment, a web of connecting wires, or some intricate software to master. In a perfect world, you'd have your hands on a system that's easy to install, easy to use, and easily adaptive to the devices and software you already use. Is that too much to ask? Grandstream doesn't think so. That's why they've designed the easiest and most innovative video conferencing system on the market. Grandstream created the GVC 3200 series as a plug-and-play solution for all businesses that value efficiency and need a video conferencing system that just works. The GVC 3200 comes complete, right out of the box, with everything you need. It's a sleek-looking camera equipped with powerful features. Setup is extremely simple with 2 easy steps.
Connect camera to your GAC 2500.
Connect camera to your TV monitors. One of the best features of the GVC series is that they support most third-party SIP or H323 platforms, in addition to Android apps, to allow users game-changing flexibility to support nearly any platform or service you want to use. To experience the full capabilities of the GVC 3200 series, pair it with the GAC 2500 and transform your conferencing experience. Its 4.3-inch touchscreen is the gateway to its powerful features. To make video conferencing even easier, Grandstream offers IP Video Talk, a subscription-based video and web-based conferencing platform that allows a meeting hosted on any GVC 3200 series device
To become a comprehensive
online meeting. IP Video Talk meetings seamlessly links together
GVC devices and web users
in any location and allows businesses to keep their teams connected, productive, and up to speed regardless of where they are. So, that nightmare you were visualizing, the one that has kept your business from utilizing reliable video conferencing, starts to turn into an achievable dream come true. Finally, there's a system that can adapt to any business's video conferencing needs. And that's not too much to ask.
Contact your Grandstream distributor to get your GVC 3200 today.